Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nanabana. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're an OG, welcome. And it's 2026 guys. That marks 6 years of my YouTube journey with you, with a lot of inconsistencies here and there. But this year I promised myself that it's going to be a content creation year. So I'm gonna put on my best, mostly vlogs, cooking sessions, recipes, basically about life. And I hope you have your resolutions done. I still don't have mine yet as of today, but I will get to it because I'm trying to relax, reset. So typically on New Year's, my mom taught us that whatever character that we start with, we end the year with. So typically for me, I did an extensive clean of my room, a cleanup of my room. And then I made this healthy Sobolo juice with a lot of flavors. So I'm going in with my watermelon, with some orange, with pineapples, ginger, cloves. I don't know how pepper is in English, but I'm going to find it and put it there for you. And some Negro pepper or hwintea. Yeah, somebody might ask why Percocet. Percocet because I wanted it to be extra healthy because I know Percocet is very healthy. Percocet is also known as galbanum to some people, right? So one thing about Canada, I left my watermelon out because I didn't have enough fridge space, and it ended up being cooked, right? So yeah, I couldn't blend anything. I just dropped everything in to give it all the flavors that I needed. But yeah, this is how I make my Sobolo. If you're not trying to do too much, well, this is too much, but I like too much, so glory to God. Anyway guys, I'm happy to be spending this year with you. So that's my Sobolo or hibiscus leaves. That is my peeled pineapple, my Percocet, my orange, my cloves, my Negro pepper, cloves, and my it's called pepper. I'll find the English name for you guys later on. But I filled this up and I left it down to soak for a bit. I realized my leaves were small, so I added a bit more to it, left it to soak for a bit before putting it on fire. Then I went ahead to do the extensive cleanup of my room and my bathroom, and then we came back to finish our Sobolo. Okay, so this year I've prayed to God that I want this year to be very soft, to be kind, and that I'll go easy on myself because 2025 overall, it wasn't a bad year, but I think I put myself at risk a lot, which I don't intend to do this year. But yeah, like this year, I get to see family and I get to be more intentional with myself, starting with the things that make me happy, like my cooking, my YouTube channel, and overall, myself and my family. So this year, I promise you're going to be seeing a lot more of me. And I hope you're gonna share with your friends that Abena is back and better. Also, there's going to be another part of the video where my friends and I share our achievements for 2025. Okay, we saw this trend and we wanted to just, reflect back on everything and also set some new goals for ourselves. And yeah, so you might want to stay till the end and wait for the next upload while you learn something new to share with your family over the weekend. Since we're back to work season, you definitely want to have something healthy to take along with you to work. Thank you for sticking with me for the last 6 years. I truly appreciate and love you so much. I hope that you stick with us again this year. With love, Abena Cooks. Well, I don't know how many of you know Jolly Juice, but yeah, I have the Jolly Juice and I'm gonna add it. This is after everything was left out throughout the whole cleaning period, so I spent the whole day cleaning. And good thing I like about winter is when there's no fridge space, you get to keep your stuff out in the snow, and a fridge is better than the fridge because tell me why my Sobolo was frozen outside, like completely frozen when I left it outside. and that is one thing I like about winter. The only thing I probably do like about winter. So after sieving all the juice that I wanted, the Sobolo or the Zobo as my Nigerian friends would call it, I added the sweetener. I went in with the pineapple because I didn't want to add any more flavor in the form of the grapes. So I went in with that, mixed it together, added the sugar, and you want to add the sugar in bits to be able to adjust the taste according to how you like it. Okay, so that is what I went on to do in here. And then after I was done, I just put everything in my big plastic basin and let it outdoors. I went back to cleaning, and I came back to completely frozen Sobolo juice, which my fridge or my freezer couldn't have given me within that time. But yeah, perks of living in Canada. So as I said, a cleanup is definitely something I do on a regular, but it being the new year, and since I worked on New Year's Eve and on New Year, I didn't really have time, so I only had like 2nd of January to do my extensive cleanup, change my sheets, clean up the room, vacuum, change a lot of things. It's typically what I like to do. Set up, and of course change your toothbrush. Don't do that. Change your toothbrush. It's a new year. Okay, if you won't change it on a daily, at least change it for the new year. So I did my laundry as well, took out work stuff, put them in hangers, and I kind of just put the necessary stuff where they needed to be, right? And also, I haven't seen so much chocolate in my life than I have seen over this Christmas festive season, because tell me why Canadians love their chocolate so much. Oh my gosh, like I am tired of seeing chocolate, that I have chocolate littered everywhere in my room. So I had to dash some to my friends and then keep what I had. So I just changed my air freshness, because I love me a sweet smelling room. Okay, so I got this from the dollar store, from Dollarama. It doesn't cost much, but it smells really good. So that is the citrus flavor, and that's me arranging all my shoes. I know I'm supposed to get a shoe rack. Don't come for me, guys. I'm gonna get that in due time. But yeah, this is me doing big girl stuff. Picture of living by yourself. I love it, but I still miss my family anyway. So clean. If you haven't done that yet, this is your time. Your sign to do that. Okay, change those sheets. Take out the stuff that you want to leave behind in 2025, and get back in shape, get back on track, do what you need to do for you.
level. Kimberly, drink your water.
Wait, who made this rule?
What do you mean? So
It's
that
okay, it's
what?
okay.
You finish your own first and what? No, so that we'll finish it together. You're just a player.
I'm not
First born.
I'm begging for
Yeah,
everyone.
My hair is looking like something that I do.